What's the meaning of certified mail? Certified mail. Certified mail.
Certified mail. Certified mail. Certified mail is a postal service offered by national postal administrations. It provides the sender with proof of mailing and delivery of the item as well as the date and time of delivery. This service also requires the recipient to sign for the mail upon delivery, providing an additional layer of security for important or legal documents. The sender receives a mailing receipt as evidence of sending the item and a delivery confirmation once the item has been successfully delivered. Overall, certified mail is a reliable and secure way to send important or valuable items through the mail.